As an Unreal environment artist, I found the lack of interactive foliage tools frustrating. So my team and I spent the past 18 months building a multifaceted foliage system designed to make interaction realistic, efficient, and easy to implement. To showcase the system, we built a sci-fi environment called the Alien Physics World. This world comes with a range of interactable foliage types, including destructible plants, bioluminescent plants, bouncy plants, vines, balloons, and even landmines. We designed the foliage system while anticipating all the different ways it might be used in games, which is why we made it work with vehicles, beam weapons, projectiles, explosions, world partitions, and level streaming. The system handles it all, and thanks to object pooling, it's extremely efficient. Instead of constantly spawning or destroying objects, the system preloads interactive foliage into what we call an object pool. When a player interacts with foliage, the system swaps the static mesh with an interactive blueprint in under 0.05 milliseconds. When the interaction ends, the original mesh returns to place. While the backend is pretty complicated, using it is simple. Everything runs through a single parent blueprint, so adding new foliage takes just a few clicks. Just drag in a static mesh, skeletal mesh, and a physics asset, and you've got a new foliage ready to use. Adding interaction to a character is even easier. Just add your interactive blueprint, change some collision settings, and you're good to go. While foliage interaction is great, we figured this system needed more to bring environments to life. So we also created a procedural wind and weather system. The wind controller blueprint simulates realistic wind with adjustable intensity, scale, and direction. Rain particles follow the wind, and binaural wind audio shifts as you move. Objects can even occlude the wind's audio when blocking the wind's direction. Our weather system includes rain, hail, rising water levels, 2D background lighting, and 3D dynamic foreground lighting. Our 3D lightning blueprint detects the highest points in a target area and applies damage on impact. All of this integrates seamlessly with the foliage physics system to create an environment that feels authentic and immersive. Additionally, this pack also includes grass and landscape trails, grouped foliage placement with assigned foliage effects, bone-based physics detection, a mesh to foliage converter for easier placement, scale-based physics responses, a weapons system, improved distance field rendering, improved grass loading, and a fix for Unreal's native water simulation limit. Now, I know this sounds like a lot of features, so let me explain why I spent so long building this in the first place. Back in 2013, I released the world's first exploration-based VR music visualizer. The beta was a huge success, but what started as a simple art project spiraled into 4 years of scripting and technical hurdles. I spent so much time building a sophisticated VR interface that there was little room left for the creative details that made my environment stand out. In the end, I only managed to release one environment, only to find out that a similar VR interface got released on the asset store shortly afterwards. It was a harsh lesson. Technical work can often consume so much time that the artistry, the part that players actually connect with, gets left behind. Fast forward several years, and I had built a thriving Unreal asset business, one that finally gave me the resources to tackle the problems I once struggled with alone. So I've spent the last 18 months working with my team on solving some of the biggest back-end technical hurdles in environment immersion. I did this because I want to empower a community of passionate developers to build worlds that feel alive without sacrificing gameplay or drowning in technical struggles. Which is why I made the Lite version of our system available for only $1, accessible to everyone and commercially usable. It includes a streamlined version of the Alien Physics World, complete with the Wind Blueprint and the core Foliage Physics plugin. And if you want the full experience, complete with advanced weather systems, destructible foliage, weapons, vehicle support, and more, that you can grab it separately on our website. So let's stop wasting valuable time reinventing the wheel. Try the demo, start with the Lite version, or dive straight into the pro experience. Whatever path you choose, I genuinely can't wait to see the incredible worlds you'll create.